Hello guys, and welcome back to another episode of The Always Beastly. Today we are actually going to be doing an unboxing of the Nintendo Switch Let's Go Pikachu. So, what's in the box? As soon as you open it, you'll notice one of the first differences, which is the Pokemon colour and themed Joy-Con controllers. And then you will see what looks like the normal Nintendo Switch screen, which everybody is used to. But if you flip it over, it actually has printed on the back, if the camera can pick it up, is Pikachu and Eevee in matte and gloss finish. So the back of the screen is matte, and then in gloss is Pikachu, Eevee, and some Pokeballs. So that's one of the cool features that they've actually done for this one so far. So, carrying on from that, you have some instructions, which I'll get to in a minute, because they are something important. The usual Nintendo Handbook of Important Information. Please read that thoroughly if you're not used to using one of these machines. And then the usual docking station, which again has a cool little feature which they've brought out new, which actually is on the other side, which is Pikachu and Eevee in colour on the front of the docking station, which I think is a nice little touch that they've done. So guys, moving on, there is the usual thing that turns the Joy-Cons into the usual gamepad. There's nothing special about it, it's the same as all of the others. There is the usual straps and tethers that attach to your wrist, but what is good is they've actually cross-coloured them, so the light goes to that one and the dark goes to this one, I believe. What I'll do is I'll just do a quick demonstration of how to attach these correctly and properly, as some children and a lot of adults actually do this wrong and end up breaking them. And what they do is there is a little lock here that needs to be in the out position. They then slide on, and you'll hear a click. It's quite audible, and then you lock it, and that locks it in position. Now to remove it, you have to unlock it, and then there is a button back here that you press, and it simply removes. You do not have to force it, it moves very freely. So I'll just show you again. It slides on, you'll hear an audible click. Lock it, it won't come off. And now this is where people go wrong. They press the button and they force it. It will not come off. You have to unlock it, press the button, and it will move freely, just like that. Right guys, I'll just demonstrate on how to put the Joy-Cons onto the screen correctly, because again, people do get it wrong. As you hold the screen with the actual USB-C port at the bottom, and what you do is you position it at the top. The darker one goes on the left, it goes from the top, it slides down nice and easy, and there's an audible click. That is now in place. And you do the same on the other side, nice and easy. If you're using any more than one finger of pressure, there is something wrong. And to remove the Joy-Cons is you can turn the screen over, because it makes it a lot easier. If you hold it in one hand, you will see the buttons from before. You simply press the button and slide them off. They come off very, very, very easily. If you need to force them, there is something wrong. Now, I'll just reattach these. Because I really do like how they have gone along with the Pokemon theme and the colours on this. And another little trick that not a lot of people know is all Switches do have it. It's just this little stand that does make it so it looks a little bit more pretty. Right, if we dive back into the box, you have your usual HDMI cable, your mains power supply, and then the thing I've been saving till the end, because you saved the best till last, and that is that this edition of the Nintendo Switch also comes with a Pokeball, which is in fact a controller, and you use it in game. And I do like it very, very, very much, and I'm looking forward to playing it. Thank you for watching. This is The Only Way is Beastly, doing an unboxing video on the Nintendo Switch Pokemon.